Homeschooling for kids. In this video, we will learn about birds. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Parrot. This is parrot. Peacock. This is peacock. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Owl. This is owl. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Eagle. This is eagle. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Hummingbird. This is hummingbird. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Swan. This is swan. Canary. This is canary. Turkey. This is turkey. Hen. This is hen. Hornbill. This is hornbill. Duck. This is duck. Crane. This is crane. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Robin. This is robin. Swallow. This is swallow. Toucan. This is toucan. Vulture. This is vulture. Hawk. This is hawk. Kite. This is kite. Pelican. This is pelican. Macaw. This is macaw. Goldfinch. This is goldfinch. Stork. This is stork. Cuckoo. This is cuckoo. Quill. This is quill. Bulbul. This is bulbul. Myna. This is myna. Pheasant. This is pheasant. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Seagull. This is seagull. Nightingale. This is nightingale. Crow. This is crow. Penguin. This is penguin. Please like, share, subscribe to Homeschooling for Kids channel for more videos.